Hi, welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some words related to one occupation. Here are the words to learn. Nurse, hospital, doctor, patient, record, examines, temperature, blood pressure, injection, supplies, test tube, wound. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there's a new video posted. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now learn to use each word in a sentence. Mina is a nurse. Mina works in a hospital. Mina talks with a doctor. Mina helps a patient to walk. Mina checks a patient record. Mina examines a patient. Mina checks a patient's temperature. Mina checks a patient's blood pressure. Mina checks the injection supplies. Mina collects blood in a test tube. Mina prepares to dress a patient's wound. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.